Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to try something different and I'm going to put this aloe vera plant inside of my hair as a moisturizer or like a little conditioner. So I've never used aloe on my hair before, which is crazy because I use aloe vera plant all the time on my face for my adult acne, but I've never put it inside of my hair. So I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to prep it and then put it inside of my hair. I did soak my aloe in some warm water for about 20 minutes, only because it was inside of the refrigerator and it would have been extremely cold on my hair. So I'm gonna start by cutting this white part off. And I'm pretty sure I'm gonna need the entire thing for my hair. This is what my aloe is looking like. It is very clumpy, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it inside of my blender. This is how it's looking after I blended it up. So strangely, I feel like by me blending it up, like it disappeared. It's all I'm working with. Maybe I changed the form and it did something weird. And maybe I just shouldn't have blended it up. I don't know. But you guys see, this is all I have, and I don't think this is gonna be enough for my hair, but I'm gonna go ahead and try it out. I already washed my hair, but because this product, because the aloe vera pretty much disappeared, like this is all I'm working with, I'm gonna wet my hair some more so that I can have some extra slippage. And I'm also going to section off my hair. Yeah, this is not gonna be enough. Like, my hair is drying on me, and yeah, this is just too much hair. I'm not drenching my hair, I'm just making it wet again. And now we're gonna see what in the world is going on here. Ooh, it's still coming out jelly, so I'm guessing this in here just look like that. This is very weird. And by the way, cutting that thing, trying to peel that aloe vera was very slippery. Like, normally when I put it on my face, I just cut a piece and I don't take the gel off of the stem. I just put it directly to my face. That was a struggle. Okay, so it's actually sliding pretty well. And now it's stuck in the bottom. I'm also gonna, the reason why I put it in this is because I really want to apply it to my roots. So, ooh, I'm trying to get it on my roots along with all of my hair. Okay, so that is a lot in my roots. Y'all see this? So that is enough for that. Yeah, don't do that. Bad idea. Not only did I just waste the aloe that I barely have, but now I really have to go make some more because that came out way too much. Like, I'm trying to get it really good in my hair, and since my hair is so thick, that bottle, the nozzle wasn't working. So obviously that's why I opened it. But yeah, don't do that. Unless you're trying to make a mess. Oh my goodness. It's dripping all on my neck. So I'm all out, and I did not even finish this section. I'm gonna go make up some more, and I'll be back to finish applying it to my entire head. I had to put my cap on while I was making some more because it was just dripping everywhere. Ugh. I don't know why it's just like reminding me of some slime. It's just, I don't know. I thought I was about to keep this on my head for 24 hours, but I don't know. And this time I did not blend it up. I just kind of smushed it with my hands a little bit. This is messy. Like, I need y'all to comment and let me know if y'all ever did this before, because this is really messy. I didn't think it would be this messy, but I don't know how many times I'm gonna do this again. I know I've read articles and I've seen videos where girls say they do this every single week, but I don't know about that. So by me not blending it, I do have clumps, but it is what it is. Y'all let me know in the comment section some easier ways to apply this to your hair, because yeah, I know the benefits are going to be like amazing, but well, I hope they are, because I never really put this on my hair before. But yeah, just show me how to apply this better, because I'm struggling. And it got me not wanting to do it anymore. It actually got me wanting to rinse all this out my hair, but I'm about to go to work, so I'm hit either way it go. And I hope it don't itch. Like, I read reports how some people can be a little allergic to it and it itches your scalp. Whenever I put it on my face, it never really itches my face. So hopefully I'm okay, because I'm gonna be at work for the next 8 hours and I'm gonna just be hit. Like, my head just gonna be itching, because there's nothing I can do to rinse this product out of my hair. Well, I keep saying product, to rinse this aloe out of my hair. I'm literally just like digging my hand in this bowl, trying to grab this gel. And this batch is more red because this one was already cut. I've been putting this one on my face all week, and they say that it's nothing wrong if your aloe turn red. Like, once you cut it and expose it to air, then the color changes, but it's nothing wrong with the product still. It's nothing wrong with the gel. You can still use it. For my face, I normally only keep my aloe plant for about a week, and then I go ahead and buy another one. Oh, and another thing, just in case y'all didn't know, I know this because of my face. Like, if you cut your aloe and it like gets on your counter, make sure you wipe your counters off. And like how I got it on my floor, make sure you wipe off your floor, counter, whatever mess you're making, because aloe tends to turn things red. Like, I remember one time I had let some gel stay on my counter, and the next day I went back. At this time, my counters was white, and my counter was legit red. So do not let this sit on your counter. Don't let it sit anywhere, pretty much. Okay, so that is it. I don't know if I'm gonna be waiting 24 hours for this. I'm gonna put my hair in a shower cap, but I may be coming back to wash this out once I get off work. Plus, I've left deep conditioner in my hair for like a day, and I've slept on it, and to be honest, like, that moisture and humidity in my hair when I'm sleeping on my pillow, like, it kind of creeped me out. So I don't know how long I'm gonna stay strong, and I don't even know if I want to sleep with this on my hair. All right, that's it. I'm putting this thing on. Okay, so y'all, I made it a day with this aloe in my hair, and let me just tell y'all, I almost didn't make it. So I told y'all I was going to work yesterday. So I went to work and I was doing good about 4 hours in, but all of a sudden the aloe just dripped all the way down my back, and I had like 4 more hours to go at work. So I couldn't even sit back in my seat because the aloe gel, like, it wouldn't dry. It's not like water. It was just like gel stuck there. I was so creeped out. And then, so I was determined to come home. I made it home about 1 o'clock in the morning, and I was coming straight in to just wash the aloe out of my hair. But I stayed strong, and the Lord, he put me to sleep, and I was able to sleep with it on my hair because I was over it. I was so over this aloe on my hair, and I really wanted to rinse it out, but I made it. And actually, it's been over 24 hours. So I still have these caps on because the front of my hair is dry, but I'm still feeling like a lot of water and wetness at the ponytail area. And honestly, I'm not sure what to expect. I just know I've seen people like say, hey, I kept aloe on my hair for 24 hours. So that is just what I decided to do. And I'm pretty sure like I won't even be able to really see like the benefits. I know it's like some internal goodness that's going on. So yeah, it's still wet. Oh, and obviously aloe is still everywhere in my hair. So at this point, I'm just gonna go ahead and wash my hair, and I'm just gonna let you guys know how I feel, like how moisturized it feels after I rinse my hair out. And that's pretty much gonna determine if I'm gonna continue doing this, because overnight and keeping it on that long, it was an experience. I feel like y'all gonna have to experience that for yourselves, or let me know if you have experienced it. Like, have you ever kept aloe in your hair for that long? So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash this out, and I will be back. I washed the aloe out of my hair, and let me just tell y'all the truth about aloe vera on your hair. First off, I do not think like my hair is like soft. I've seen videos where they be like, oh my goodness, my hair is so soft, and it's like, really? Because my hair, if anything, I feel like my hair felt more not matted, but it just wasn't like, I feel like the moisture level didn't compare to like the deep conditioners that I've done. I honestly don't feel that there is more moisture or softness to my hair. Like, honestly, my hair feels exactly the same. It's drying real quick on me because I just got out the shower and it's already starting to dry, but I don't really feel a difference compared to my regular deep conditioners that I've used on my hair. But one thing I can say is that aloe vera is a very, very, very great plant. Like I said, I put it on my face all the time, and I love the results that aloe vera does for my face. So I know even when I put aloe on my face, like, it's not a pleasant experience. It's not really sticky. Well, when it dries, it tightens up my face. But like I said, like it helps the redness in my skin. It helped my acne go away. My cheeks is like always red. So it really helped me out my face. So I know deep down that aloe vera is really benefiting my hair. I just feel like it's something that you can't see. So internally, inside of my hair shafts, there's something powerful going on. It's just something that you can't visibly see. So I wouldn't knock it. I am gonna try and incorporate it into my hair routine, like maybe every if I can't do it every 2 weeks, at least once a month, I would like to incorporate the aloe on my hair, because I have seen many great videos saying how well the plant helps their hair grow. It helps with I think it helped with like strengthening your hair strands. One crazy thing I do feel is like, I don't know if it's because my hair was dry and then I re-wet it, but it just felt like my hair just feels stronger. But I know like that's like impossible. One thing I don't really believe like, oh, do this one thing and your hair gonna like do something overnight. Like, my hair not gonna go overnight. I don't think my hair is gonna get stronger overnight. So maybe it's just that my hair feels super thick to me, and it looked thick because like I said, it's drying by the second on me. So I'm gonna wrap up this video. But yeah, overall, I think that you guys should try aloe vera out for yourselves. Go ahead and cut that plant and get all messy and sticky with it and see how you feel about the plant. See how your hair like it. Mine, I think my hair like it. It's just that I can't physically see what's going on. Whatever is going on is internally, and that internal, it could be growing my hair, it could be shrinking my hair, it could be doing whatever. So only way to tell is if I keep it up. So I think I will try and keep it up every at least once a month. I will try and put aloe inside of my hair. But yeah, you guys, you don't knock it till you try it. I don't think there's an extra benefit to putting aloe on your hair overnight as opposed to just like a 30-minute deep conditioning. I think either way will help strengthen your hair or do whatever is doing to your hair. And I will list below, I will list like the benefits that aloe does for your hair, and even if those are curious for your skin, I'll list that because it really is a powerful plant. So yeah, don't knock it. Go ahead and try it for yourselves. But y'all, my hair is drying and I need to do something with it before I can't control it anymore. So thank you all for watching this video. Please let me know how you feel about aloe in the comment section. Let me know, you know, if it make your hair feel soft or extra moisturized, because for me it honestly didn't. But yeah, I just want to know your experience, so let me know. And thank you all for watching this video, and I will see you all next time. Bye.